Welcome to the Nourish Expert YouTube channel.
Hi StartHub Africa. My name is Mununuzi Timothy Kisakye, a passionate Ugandan nutritionist, content creator, and founder of Nourish Expert, a growing digital platform that demystifies nutrition for everyday people, the normal person, the layman. Over the past 2 years, I've dedicated myself to creating evidence-based, engaging, and entertaining nutrition content on my platforms, X, formerly Twitter, YouTube, and offline workshops. For example, I had a workshop with Ministry of Health last week, part 1 in Uganda resort. I simplify complex health messages with a local lens, whether it's warning about hidden sugars in posho or telling people why eating a lot of deep fried food is bad. That's what I do. I want to work with you because StartHub Africa's mission deeply aligns with mine, making nutrition relatable and actionable for Ugandan families. Our people need voices they can trust, and my voice is already resonating with many. I'm very comfortable in front of the camera. It's my second home now, and I've become so comfortable with it. I love script writing, and I can confidently present facts in a way that is fun, culturally relevant, and practical, and easy to understand. Plus, I would be excited to collaborate with food entrepreneurs offering product advice and championing innovations that put health first. So let's create something powerful together, something that transforms how Ugandans think, eat, and thrive. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm ready when you are ready, and let's nourish minds and plates together.